Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using these 4 wood pieces and 2 wooden pallets from Dollar Tree. I take them all and cover them with 1 coat of Barcelona beige chalk paint by Folk Art. And then I also take this bamboo stick, it's a flat bamboo stick that I get from Amazon, and I cut it the length of the pallets and paint that with Barcelona beige chalk paint as well. Then once everything is dry, I take Plaster chalk paint by Waverly and dry brush that on all of those wood pieces. Next, I take this little watering can from Dollar Tree, remove the bottom piece of it, and paint the entire thing with the Plaster chalk paint. I then take this little pot that has the succulent in it from Dollar Tree. I remove the succulent and paint the bottom part of that with 1 coat of the Plaster chalk paint. Hot glue in some Spanish moss on the top of that, and then add back in the succulent. Next, I'm using these small letter stamps I got from Dollar Tree, as well as one of their stamp blocks. And you just have to cut the little letters and place them on. They're placed down in a mirrored image, so when you put the letters on, they will be lined up correctly. And I'm spelling out the word bloom. It's really hard to see because all the pieces are clear. But I just spelled out bloom, so I did need 2 packages. Placed it on my ink pad, and then just wiped away the excess ink to make sure I didn't get it on the watering can. And then I just took it onto the watering can and kind of rolled it over and got my word on there, and they actually work really good. Next, I took the 4 pieces of wood and glued them into a box shape. I took wood glue and hot glue. Wood glue for a strong hold, hot glue so it would stay together quickly. And just put them on, the wood glue and hot glue on the edges. And then just made it into a box shape. Next, I had ended up using some Gorilla Glue as well. Put it on the top and bottom, spread out a little, and then added some hot glue in between that, and placed down my galvanized plaque. Next, I needed to add on my roof, so I just took the 2 little pallets, and the inside of the pallets, the underneath, has these 2 little pieces, so I just added some wood glue and hot glue to the sides, and then set those little pieces right on top of the box I had made. And then where the 2 pallets meet on the top, I added hot glue to keep those glued together. And then once that hot glue was dry, I added some more hot glue and then added on the bamboo piece I had cut down. And that is it for the little house. Now I'm just going to decorate it. So I took this little hook I got from Dollar Tree, saw where I wanted the watering can to hang, placed the little hook up on the top of the box, placed the watering can down, and then I just put in the succulent over on the right side. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.